Imagine a machine, serious, forged in the fires of necessity, a symbol of American air power. For generations, this is the B-52 Stratofortress, a legend in the skies. And the heart of this beast? 8 Pratt Whitney TF33 turbofan engines, each one a 5,000-pound testament to human ingenuity. A complex ballet of controlled explosions. But these mechanical marvels, they don't just run on their own. They're meticulously maintained, cared for, kept alive by a special breed of airmen, the B-52 engine maintainers. They're the unsung heroes who keep this iconic bomber flying. These aren't just your average mechanics. Think of them as surgeons. For these mechanical giants, they're highly specialized technicians, masters of the intricate systems that empower this legendary aircraft. They dedicate years to mastering the complex inner workings of the TF33, from the intricate fuel delivery system to the incredibly delicate high-speed turbine blades. They develop an almost preternatural understanding of these engines, able to diagnose a problem simply by listening to the subtle shifts in the engine's powerful roar. They can hear the whispers of a potential problem long before it becomes a shout. Consider the sheer challenge: 5,000 pounds of raw, untamed power, contained within a relatively compact metal housing. Temperatures soaring into the thousands of degrees. Pressures that could crush a car like a discarded soda can. These airmen, they work within this extreme environment, often in demanding and unforgiving conditions. The scorching heat of the tarmac in the midday sun, the biting, bone-chilling cold at high altitude, ensuring that every single component functions flawlessly. Their work, a delicate high-stakes balance of raw power and meticulous precision. Their training, it's relentless. A deep, immersive dive into the fundamental principles of thermodynamics, advanced hydraulics, complex electronics, and a myriad of other scientific disciplines. They learn to recognize the almost imperceptible signs of wear and tear, the subtle, often overlooked clues that hint at an impending engine failure. They become experts in non-destructive inspection techniques, utilizing specialized tools like flexible borescopes to peer deep inside the engine's core without having to disassemble it. They're like doctors for these mechanical behemoths, constantly diagnosing and treating their patients. Their role? It isn't just about fixing things that are already broken. It's about preventing problems before they even have a chance to occur. They proactively search for potential weaknesses, anticipating potential failures, ensuring that the B-52 is always ready for its next mission, whether it's a routine training flight or a critical, high-stakes strategic operation. They understand, deep down, that both the lives of the aircrew, potentially lives on the ground, depend on the meticulousness and dedication of their work. You know, you're responsible for a multi-million-dollar piece of equipment, but it's so much bigger than that. It's about the mission. It's about the guys who are flying. You want to know, absolutely know in your heart, that you've done everything you can to make sure they come home safe to their families. The work, it can be incredibly demanding, both physically and mentally. Long hours, often in challenging and uncomfortable conditions, coupled with the constant, ever-present pressure of knowing that even a seemingly minor mistake could have devastating consequences. But these airmen, they're driven by a powerful, unwavering sense of duty, a deep-seated commitment to excellence, and a shared, profound pride in being part of something larger than themselves. They are the guardians of the B-52's legacy. Every single bolt, every connection, every inspection is performed with the utmost care, precision, and attention to detail. They adhere to strict, detailed procedures, rigorously double-checking their own work, and often having their work double-checked by others, ensuring that nothing, absolutely nothing, is overlooked. They function as a tightly knit, highly skilled team, constantly relying on each other's expertise, freely sharing their knowledge, and supporting each other through the inevitable challenges and pressures of the job. We're more than just colleagues. We're a family. We look out for each other. We understand the immense weight of this job, and we take it incredibly seriously. We know that lives depend on us being at our best every single time. But there's another challenge that these dedicated airmen face, one that's often less visible, less talked about, but just as real: just as impactful, the immense mental and emotional strain. The sheer cognitive load of managing such incredibly complex systems, the constant pressure of making crucial time-sensitive decisions under immense pressure, the relentless vigilance required to ensure that everything, absolutely everything, is perfect. They carry the weight of immense responsibility on their shoulders. They know that a momentary lapse in concentration, a single missed detail could have catastrophic ramifications. They're not just working on engines, they're constantly managing risk, mitigating potential dangers, and ensuring the safety of the aircrew and the ultimate success of the mission. It's a burden they carry with quiet dignity and unwavering professionalism. So, the next time you witness a B-52 soaring majestically through the sky, a symbol of American air power, remember the dedicated, highly skilled airmen who made that flight possible. Remember the years of rigorous training, the unwavering commitment to excellence, and the incredible mental and emotional fortitude required to keep these magnificent, complex machines flying. They are the guardians of the Stratofortress, the unsung heroes who ensure America's air power remains a force to be reckoned with, a force for peace and security around the globe.